Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make Facebook page private. Now, before we start, let me clear you, there is no direct option available in Facebook directly by which you can, private your page. But there are few things which you can do in order to, manage the privacy of your page. So for that, first thing you need to do is to just click on your profile and select your page. Once you do that, click on the profile icon again, and here we need to go to this option settings and privacy. Select settings, and the first thing we're gonna do here is to open this option, how people can find and contact you. Right here you need to toggle up the first option, which is allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your page, and the second one is this one, allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. You can also adjust all of these settings, like pages that you follow, people who follow you. And also if you scroll right here, you will able to see this option, followers and public content. Select that, and right here you'll able to see these options like who can follow my page. So you need to open these options one by one, and wherever you see the option only me, you need to choose that. Like right here you can see we have the option only me for this, who can see the people and pages you follow option. So we need to simply select only me, and you need to do this for all of these options. Wherever you see only me, select that, and this is how you'll able to manage the privacy for your Facebook page. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.